Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Telluride key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is readily available at most stores. Having the right tools makes this simple task even easier, ensuring a smooth and quick replacement process. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. First, press the small button on the side to release the physical emergency key. Pull it out completely. Next, look inside the slot where the physical key was. You'll see a small indentation or slot. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, being careful not to damage the contacts. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits securely in its compartment. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating it's sealed. After reassembling, it's time to test your newly refreshed key fob. Go to your Kia Telluride and try locking and unlocking the doors. If it works, great. If not, carefully reopen the fob and double-check that the battery is inserted correctly with the positive side facing up. Sometimes a slight adjustment is all it takes. For an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for pet owners. Find a link to this fantastic robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.